Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine. This prevents shorts and data loss. Once off, remove the side panel and ground yourself because static kills components. Make space so you can access the PCIe area comfortably. Position the case on its side or lift from desk. Next, locate the graphics card bracket and the PCIe slot. You'll identify screws and any retention clips before touching the card. This sequence saves time and avoids accidental force or cable snags. You should now disconnect all PCIe power cables. Press the latch and pull straight back to avoid bending pins. Once done, unscrew the bracket that secures the card to the case and keep one hand under the card so it doesn't tilt. Make sure the motherboard retention clip is depressed. Sometimes it's stiff. Use a finger or a small flat tool. Then, with a controlled rocking motion, pull the card straight out of the slot to avoid scraping contacts or damaging the board. You're almost done. Inspect the PCIe slot and card contacts for dust or damage and clean with compressed air if necessary. When reassembling, replace the bracket screw, close the case, reconnect the PSU and peripherals, then boot to confirm the system detects the GPU. If the machine fails to post, don't panic, power down, reseat the card, verify all 6/8 pin connectors are fully seated, and try another slot or GPU to isolate the fault. That single check fixes many issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.